Cathie Wood has bought how much Rocket Lab? Hello hustlers. Today I'm going to focus on why Cathie Wood is investing in Rocket Lab, what our thoughts are on Rocket Lab, and I will end up by telling you how much Cathie Wood owns in Rocket Lab and what her average price is. So let me know how you compare. Today we're focusing on Cathie Wood, a leading figure in the investment circles. She is the head of Ark Invest, known for her key eye for future technologies. Cathie Wood is best known for her investments in stocks like Tesla, Coinbase and Roku, but she has a large position in Rocket Lab too. Let's explore her intriguing fascination with Rocket Lab, who is a pioneering space force. Investing in space technology isn't without its risks, and Cathie Wood knows that for sure. Companies like Rocket Lab face immense challenges, from technical hurdles in rocket development to financial volatility seen in this high-stake industry. Some of the key risks include project failures, regulatory hurdles, and intense competition that can sway the fate of even the most promising ventures. Understanding these key elements is crucial in grasping the gravity of investments in this sector. We do have some key catalysts lining up though in the next couple of months, from the 50th Electron launch to the Archimedes test fire to some really big contract announcements. So why does Cathie Wood bet so heavy on Rocket Lab? In principle, it's their cutting edge technology and significant growth potential that stands out. Rocket Lab is not just launching rockets, they're refining the economics of space, making satellite deployments more accessible and frequent. This shift is key to their global communications and security infrastructure, poised to grow exponentially in the coming years. As Rocket Lab unlocks the keys to space, they will be an unstoppable machine to compete with. But hold up, here's the shocking truth, and keep your ears tuned to find out how much Rocket Lab Cathie Wood has bought. Cathie Wood's significant stake in Rocket Lab isn't just a gamble, it's a strategic vision. Her investments are shaping the market, influencing both stock values and pace of the technological innovation. This bold move could either set the stage for monumental returns or bear the brunt of unforeseen setbacks in the volatile area of space tech. Rocket Lab could 10x from today's price and stands out as a unique crossroads of opportunity and challenge. Its role in the burgeoning space market and its potential for growth highlight why visionaries like Cathie Wood are betting big on success. Rocket Lab's $2 billion market cap is dwarfed by SpaceX's $180 billion valuation. I have done a detailed breakdown of this and I'll drop the video right at the end. So how much does Cathie Wood hold? Well, do one thing for me first. Pause that video, hit that subscribe, please, so I can share more information just like this. Cathie Wood's investment firm, Ark Invest, holds approximately 729,000 shares of Rocket Lab. This investment was made across two of their exchanges, ArkQ and ArkX. Cathie Wood's average purchase price of Rocket Lab through Ark Invest funds is approximately $4.76 per share. This average price reflects her transactions over a series of buys and sells since first investing in Rocket Lab. So let me know what your price is. Please let me know in the comments, as I'm really interested to see how you compare. I hold 3,018 shares at an average price of $4.26. So that's all for today. Subscribe to join the hustle community as we are showing how a portfolio grows to $100,000. Oh, and here's the Rocket Lab versus SpaceX comparison video. Peace out.